Will Zlatan-less AC Milan succeed in defeating Manchester United at the Theatre of Dreams? We will find out in this video. Along with that, I will be telling you stats and the performance of the two teams against each other and in the Europa League. And I will be telling you one key player each from both the sides who might score or provide an assist in this game. And at last, my prediction that who will win this game and take an advantage for the second leg. So stay tuned till the end of this video because you are in for some great preview and prediction of Manchester United versus AC Milan. And by the way, I'm your host Rishabh Tiwari. And till now, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel of Sports Geek, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe to it right now, and if you are watching this video on Facebook or Instagram, then do follow Sports Geek account there as well. So we'll begin with Manchester United. In the last Premier League game, United defeated Manchester City 2-0 away from home and ended their 28 games unbeaten streak. Currently, United are placed on second position in the Premier League. Coming to AC Milan, they also won their fixture 2-0 as they defeated Verona, and now they are placed on second position in the Serie A table, 6 points off the league leaders Internazionale. Coming to the performance of the two teams against each other, in the last 6 meetings, the last two meetings took place in the International Champions Cup, and both the games were drawn, and Manchester United went on to defeat AC Milan in the penalties. Apart from that, the last 4 games that these two teams played in a big competition, that was Champions League, United defeated AC Milan 3 times while AC Milan won only one game. So this was the performance of the two teams. You can clearly see that United have dominated AC Milan in the past, and now they are going to face them tomorrow again, and let's see who trumps here. Coming to the stats of the Europa League, in Europa League, United are undefeated in 23 out of their 25 games, and AC Milan are undefeated in 10 out of their last 11 games. In all competition, if we talk, United have kept 8 clean sheets in their last 11 games in all competitions, while AC Milan have won only 4 games out of their last 10 in all competitions. Coming to the round of 32, how these two sides qualified for the round of 16, AC Milan defeated Crvena Zvezda 3-3 and they qualified on away goal rule, while United thrashed Real Sociedad 4-0 and they qualified for the round of 16. Coming to the injuries of the two sides, both the teams are quite weak because both of them have quite big players sidelined from this fixture. From Manchester United, Paul Pogba, Juan Mata, Edinson Cavani also might not play. Marcus Rashford got injured against Manchester City. Donny van de Beek also might be sidelined from this fixture. From AC Milan, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, Calhanoglu, Mandzukic, Rebic, all of them are sidelined, which means that both the sides are weak. They don't have too much depth in their squad because their big players are injured. But the performance that Manchester United gave against City must have boosted their confidence, and they will go in this fixture with full pumped up. Let's see how AC Milan plays against them because Zlatan have been taking care of this team. He has been guiding them. But now his absence will create few issues for them. So this was my preview for this game. Now we will get into the key players for this fixture. My first key player is going to be from Manchester United. United's key player is going to be Bruno Fernandes. Fernandes has scored 2 goals in 2 Europa League games and he has taken 3 shots per game. From AC Milan, on the other hand, my key player is going to be Samu Castillejo. Castillejo has scored 2 goals and provided 1 assist in the Europa League. So these two are going to be my key players, and there is lots of responsibility on both of them, as both Manchester United and AC Milan are missing the big names. So both Fernandes and Castillejo will have to score or provide an assist in this game to help their side in taking an advantage in the first leg. So these two are going to be my key players for this fixture. So here we are. Finally, what is going to be my prediction now? So Manchester United's recent performance against Manchester City, that was incredible. Incredible performance. The way they stopped them from scoring a single goal and scored 2 goals in return was phenomenal. AC Milan are going through their issues, but they are not weak. They have good players and they can create problems for Manchester United. We have seen in Manchester United's performance that they are not consistent, and whenever we think that Manchester United might defeat the other team, at that point of time Manchester United failed to win that game. So keeping in mind that Manchester United have kept clean sheet in 8 of their last 11 games, I feel that Manchester United will win this game and take advantage for the second leg. So Manchester United will score 2 goals while AC Milan will score 1 goal. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section that what do you feel? Who do you think will win this game? AC Milan or Manchester United? And what will be the scoreline? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be back soon with my next video. Till then, stay home and keep watching Sports Geek.